Good morning. It's Thursday, January 15th, day 66 of my 10,000 steps a day challenge to myself. Let's go get my pre-work morning walk done. It's beginning to drizzle here on my pre-work morning walk, but not too bad yet. It is 40 degrees out, so it's still mild. Not gonna cut the walk short, and we're gonna get it done. Let's go. This old historic house back where I go into the trail still has one creepy candle in its window. It's the only one. Don't know why. It's just odd. But let's get this walk done in the little drizzling rain. After work walk on Thursday, January 15th, 2026. Sun's still setting in the distance. It's beautiful. Let's get this after work walk done. It's a little windy, as you see by the flagpole. It's only 33 degrees when it was 41 at 6 a.m. So temperatures are dropping. Beautiful. Let's go. Sky looks beautiful. The wind's definitely picking up and getting colder. Day 66 after work complete. 20,814. See you all tomorrow. Bye.